Today we are trying out a new cotton fleece set from SKIMS. Now this is a collaboration with a designer called ASSPIZZA, so you can spell that out loud. And we have sweatpants with it looks like a little cute Tinkerbell with SKIMS written in handwritten print. We have like a little Cupid kind of person looking there. We have SKIMS stitched on, SKIMS with a heart. And then we have a matching hoodie with the same motifs scattered in different places. It is double-sided, so you do have some of the motifs on the back. The hood is clean. And then we also have the zip up with, again, more of the same prints. This one has a little bit less of the, they don't really have any characters on this one. So if you're not looking for those Cupid or Tinkerbell looking folks, go with the zip up. And if you are looking for them, go with the hoodie. This one is a little bit more Cupid coated, or Tinkerbell and Cupid coated, so it matches the sweatpants a little bit more, but at least you get like a balance if you just want the zip up and pants. Let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so first up I'm trying on these sweatpants, and I actually paired it with the long sleeve shirt from the Boyfriend PJs. Now the sweatpants I feel like fit really, really well. This is the extra small, so just keep that in mind, that I feel like this fits normally like a size 0 or 2. So I usually wear 25 or 26 in jeans, and I feel like this is a pretty good size for me. Now they are pretty long, so I just took off my platform shoes, slippers, so you could see. I really like the print. I really like the layout, or like the orientation of the print. But I think maybe putting them together with the matching set was like a lot. Like it was a vibe. So if you're going for that, then okay. But it was a little bit too much for me personally, to like keep both or like all of these pieces. So I'm a little, the jury's a little out for me. So let me know what you think in the comments below of what pieces I should keep. Now this zip up, I felt like, as I mentioned, was a little bit smaller, a little bit more form-fitting than the hoodie. I liked the juxtaposition of the print where they put the SKIMS in the heart, like on the upper left chest, because you don't see that on the front of these pants. You're gonna see that it's different on the hoodie. So it's just like a little bit of a different choice of layout. So here we see like the cherub is in the top left, and you have a little bit more of the Tinkerbell looking fairy. So I think I'm leaning towards keeping this one. I also really like the heart right in the back underneath the hood, because it feels like, oh, surprise, your hood is on and you have something else cool here. So that is my overall impression of this outfit on styled. Now I also tried it on just with some black leggings just to see how it would look, and I really like it. I think it's a total vibe, but you let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.